Hi friends, I'm Chef Mangal. I'm making today classic and healthy stuffed organic peppers. So let's start. Heat the pan, add olive oil. Like I tell you every time when I use butter, I add little olive oil also. So melt it, heat it up, and this is the time when you add finely chopped onions. Cook it for 2 to 3 minutes, or you see the change the color in the onions. Mix it all well because this is classic dish. Add eggplants. This is also organic eggplants, small dices. I don't want raw onions and raw eggplant. That all the color change. I add garlic. Recipe for this in description. See how the color of eggplant change. This is black bean. Black bean is already cooked. This is in tin can, and this is paneer, cottage cheese. Indian people, they eat a lot. Their favorite dish. So I mash it, cook it for 1 or 2 minutes, and this is chopped mushroom. In stuffing this particular dish, I try to make all the ingredients in a smaller portion, smaller size. And this is corn. Everybody loves these vegetables. Everybody. Especially I think you also. Now, to make it a little bit moist, the stuffing, this is a fresh tomato puree. I just made at home. This is chili flakes option. Children, they are eating, don't use the chili flakes. Add peppers, white pepper, salt, and this cheese I'm using little this time to bind the stuffing. Give a little moist, so heavy cream, and see the ingredients how I put it, not too much. This is cooked brown rice. This is completely one classic dish. You don't need anything else. Oh my God. And this is my favorite, green onions. Keep it aside. Now this is time to bake our bell pepper. This is organic baby bell pepper. Cut it into half and season with salt, pepper and olive oil, and bake it 350 degree Fahrenheit for 8 minutes, or just see the timings, because you'll see when I bake it 8 minutes, still it stands. Oh, beautiful. Your bell pepper should be like this, your green pepper. If you have organic, it will like that. Stuffing, and on top just garnish mozzarella or whatever cheese you want. This time when we bake it, is only to melt it. Bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 to 3 minutes. We don't have to bake it. Actually, we have to just melt the cheese. Oh, what a beautiful man. You can make better than this, but follow the recipe. Share this recipe and you'll see this beautiful dish. Thank you friends. I hope you like this recipe, and I'm sure that you are going to subscribe my channel, share it, like it. Next Saturday with another delicious dish, healthy also. Take care of your family. This is Chef Mangal.